One of the main problems I can see is to divorce our movement from religious concepts. Because
it is not a personal religious concept. This is nonsense. You have to, just like when Krishna said, Dehinasmin yatha dehe kaumara jovananga. This is the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. So, does it mean is religion?
No.
Then why is this nonsense? Take it as religion. It is a fact. How can you neglect the fact? Kaumara jovananga. A baby becoming a boy becoming a young man. Is it religion? Either Hindu or Muslim or Christian or Buddha, everyone is becoming like that. What is religion? Why do they take it as religion?
It's religion because it's not empirical fact.
Huh?
It's not an empirical fact.
What is that empirical fact?
That after you die, you take another body.
Apart from that, how this baby is becoming a boy?
This is a fact.
This is a fact. How a baby is becoming a child is becoming a boy is becoming a young man is becoming middle-aged. Does it mean, is it a particular type of religious system?
No.
Why this nonsense? What kind of intelligent person there? It is a fact. Now we come to the old age. So, I've come to old age, body, after so many stages. Now what is the next? The next is Tatha Dehanta. He'll get another body. This is very common sense.
They don't accept that.
No, that is not the rascal. Why you should do natural? You answer, then what is next?
They will say it's finished.
No. How it can be finished? How it can be finished?
They don't have a concept
If you have come stage by stage, it is finished to your eyes. Just like the sun side is there, in the evening there is no more sun. It is finished. What is it done? Is it finished? A rascal may say it is finished.
Out of sight, they say it is
Yes.
finished.
So this thing you have to convince them. Why should you allow them to remain a rascal? Now the sun is rising. Does it mean all of a sudden the sun is created?
No.
So these are the examples. You have to preach like that. Simply believe your eyes. You believe there is no sun, now it is sun. Then all of a sudden the sun becomes created. See the intelligent person and convince her. Jajjad achariti shrestha. Pick up the best man. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he picked up the best man. Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami. So his movement became successful. Sanatana Goswami is not an ordinary man. Very educated, learned Brahmin and minister. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu picked up. Similarly, Rupa Goswami, similarly, Jiva Goswami. Picked up means, by preaching, they become converted. So similarly, pick up a person like Sanatana Goswami, intelligent, in position, and try to convince him. Why he will not be convinced? He is a human being. This is not religion. Then I am breathing. What is this breathing? What is the breathing?
Air going in and out?
Yeah. Now when the breathing stops, why don't you manufacture some machine? The breathing will come again. Huh? Why you cannot do it? Everyone knows it is here. And put some machine within and they do breathing. Tell me, why you cannot do it?
They have some machines like that too all the time.
Again, you are another rascal. Who is this rascal?
They have some machines.
Don't spoil time like that. They have got a machine. What is that machine?
Machines are not
Simply
living.
don't create unnecessary talks. What is that machine? They have a machine. What is that nonsense machine? Huh? Who knows that machine? Huh?
Called an air respirator.
Huh? But can it bring life?
No.
Then what is the use of that machine? What is the use of that machine? Everyone knows that it is air. Now air is stopped. And is managed. Bring that air again. There is ample air. Bring that machine. Similarly, if you analyze the whole body with contrast, you'll find these five elements, that's all. Earth, water, air, fire,
That's scientific. No one denies that.
yes. Then why don't you create a body? What is your science?
You just pointed out the body may already be there, but they cannot replace the life. Even a body is already created. Take a dead body, but they can't bring life back into it.
What is that life? That is the question. That life is so, you have to accept. Stop. The machine broken. As soon as the machine is placed, now the motor car is fit for running. But not for the machine, but for the driver. When the driver is not there, you cannot create or purchase a driver. That is not possible. You can repair the machine, but without driver, the machine will not run. So, why they should be blind about this fact? What is this knowledge? Advancement of knowledge. The body is created, if it is accepted, body is created by this material element. Now, create another body. Just like doll makers make a body, you also make a body, very beautiful woman, and give it life. Why they cannot do it?
But even accepting that the soul is the living force, they may say that, well, we're living in this material world and we have to deal with matter. So what is the importance of all this knowledge? They may say that we're living in the material world in spite of this knowledge. So we have to deal with material circumstances.
But you do not like to die. Why do you die? You have material knowledge. Nobody wants to die. But why you die? And what is your material knowledge? You do not like to be old man. What is your material knowledge? That you can stop old age. Then you have to accept that your material knowledge is not perfect. Why you are so much proud of this false knowledge? Unnecessary.
We don't see that you're able to stop death.
Huh?
We agree that it would be nice to stop death, but
Yes.
where is someone
Yes, we know. You learn from us. We know. Saptade Hang Punarjanma Nanti. This is the process.
We haven't seen that anyone in your movement.
Again seeing. Condemn seeing. Your seeing is like that. The sun has come out of the sun. That is your seeing. And when the sun is not there, the sun dead. That is your seeing. This is rascal seeing, animal seeing.
Then you want us to have faith.
No faith. It is knowledge.
If I can't see that, it means faith.
You cannot see your rascal how you see. Just like an astrologer can say it is going to happen. You cannot see. But he can see.
That means I have to have faith, sir.
No, it is not faith. It is fact. If I say that at 6:30 in the evening there will be no sun. It is not faith. It is fact.